Hi, Miss M6455. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I am Melanie Villamor Alasad, 38 years old. I am married but separated for 2 years. I have 4 kids, 16, 19, 15, and 9 months. Um, I am a Christian, Iglesia ni Cristo.
Educational attainment.
I am computer system programming for 1 year only.
Okay. Tell me about your experience as a helper.
My parents' employer, I taking care of 2 kids with 1 year old and 9 months, and the second one was nearly 3 years old.
Okay.
Um, and my second employer, I'm taking care of pets, cooking, cleaning with 3,500 square feet of house.
Okay. So you have experience for two different employer in Hong Kong, right?
Yes,
On your first employer, you take good care of a 2 years old girl, right? And
yes,
9 months old baby. Am I
yes.
right?
But when I'm finishing working, they are 1 year and 9 months.
Okay, 1 year and nine
Yes.
months. So it's
Yes.
9 months old and 1 year and 9 months
Yes.
because you are only 1 year on your
Yes, in
first
my
employer. And also on your second employer, you work as a helper for 1 year and 10 months, right?
Yes, 1 year and 10 months.
Okay. But suddenly doesn't finish your contract. Why?
Because I need to settle the problem of my family in the Philippines.
So you go back home to
Yes.
settle the problem of the problem of your family here in the
Yes.
Philippines. But your employer know about that, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any release paper?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is the one who took care of your child, which is 9 months old?
My
If you go back,
father will
your
take care of my baby.
so okay, your mother will
Yes.
took care of your baby 9 months old when you go in
In
Hong
Hong
Kong.
Kong.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, so it is okay to you to take care of a newborn, right?
Yes.
And you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn.
Yes.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature, check the baby's tummy, and check the diaper.
Okay.
If the
Okay.
baby is not
Okay.
finish crying, I will call his mother and said that the baby won't stop crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
I need to provide the needs of my children. Because I have 4 children and I am separated for 2 years.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Mm, if my employer need me, I'm willing to continue working.
So it is okay to you to extended your contract,
Yes.
right? Okay, for sure you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes.
Okay,
I
what
know
kind
how
of what kind of Chinese food can you cook?
simple vegetables and soup especially. I know how to prepare.
Okay, what kind of food?
Kind of, all of the vegetables. Because
Like
it's-
stir fry vegetable.
Yes. stir
How about
fry.
steam? Do you know how to steam?
Yes.
What kind of steam food you can prepare?
Fish, steam fish, steam chicken,
Uh,
chicken with the, um,
So you know how to prepare some
Yes.
dishes. Okay, if your employer prepared some food, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
yes.
It is okay to you to share job with other helper.
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
Okay, yes.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes.
Okay. If one of your employer doesn't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes. I know how to speak Cantonese, basic.
Basic Cantonese,
Yes,
so you know
yes,
how, and you could
I
understand.
I could understand when they talking.
Okay. Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
I promise to take care of the babies if they have, and I will respect their families, and I will do my best to do my job well.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Melanie. Thank you.
Thank you, and I hope I will see you soon, and I will be your helper.
Okay. Thank you so much.